Hello and welcome to this honest review of vidXplo AI. Now this is identical to Explainer Video AI. It's exactly the same software. What I suspect has happened is with Explainer Video AI, which I've done a full review of, you can buy an agency license where you can sell the product to other people. I think that's what someone's done here and they've just called it vidXplo AI. It's the same thing, but I'm still going to review it, and this cost me $27 of my own money. So first of all, let's look at what we've got down the side. We don't have loads of things, which is great. We've got training. So there are 3 training videos you can watch. There are your projects, help and support, and templates. This is a template driven thing. There is searching by templates up here, which is really good. So if I type and search for brain, I want to get this one. Let's see what happens. Yep, I get that one. So you can at least search for things, which is useful. So like I say, it's template driven and you can change things within the template. You can preview it, but let's just use the template and go for brain. Surprisingly, we click continue. So we are now into our template and we can click on things to change things. It seems to be loading a little slow. We've got a timeline editor here and it is slide based as well. So here we go. Just scrolling through. So it looks like explainer videos, but it sort of isn't. So we have to get to the point on the slide where everything has appeared. So if I click in here, I can go and change the text. Most people have a brain and I can position that where I want on the slide. If I click here, I've got an outer view so that I don't go and stick it off slide. So most people have a brain. Now this, you can't change. This is a problem for me. I say you can't change it. You can change it. So I can click here and I can animate. I can pick or change how it animates. I don't want to do that at the moment. Let's say I want another explainer video about a brain or something else, or an explainer graphic. If I go to graphics here, I can upload my own graphics, or I can search in an app library. You get an app library and it's sort of got arrows and other things. Now I need to just drop my timeline down here to get to this abstract background, but I won't be able to find this and I'll show you why in a moment. So let's go for e-commerce. So we've got all these e-commerce things, nothing to do with the brain. Let's say I want to add that. That's great. That's like some form of box here. I can go and change the colors if I want to. It's a bit tricky as to what is being changed here, what relates to what, but I can go change the colors. I can click update the SVG. I'm not going to because that looks terrible. But this little picture here, it comes with the slide. So all the really good explainer stuff that you get, you can't find them in graphics. You can't even find them in backgrounds. So in backgrounds, you can add a gradient or a solid color. That's it. In graphics, we've got this app library, but like I say, all the really good ones, they come with the template, but you can't access them otherwise. So if I really like something from a different template, I couldn't bring it in here. I would have to go and use that template. So I think that is a bit lacking. I can go and add new text if I want. I can record my audio in app. I can upload my audio, or I can do text to speech. And I can also add videos, but there's no videos included with the software. And I can do exactly the same with the image. If I click down here, I can edit the timeline if I want to. All I can do is make the slide shorter. I can't make the slide any longer. I can just make the slide shorter. So let's try and preview this. So like I say, these bits here, these interesting explainer bits, they're just videos really, and you have to access them through the template. So the criticism I have it would be great if you had access to these things other than in the template. If you could build your own thing from scratch and you can put all these explainer things in, but you can't. You have to pick a specific template and these things are tied to the template. So because of that, I don't think this is a great piece of software, but do let me know what you think. Thank you. Goodbye.